Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Math Technology. Today we are going to discuss important and simple topics which is very important for JEE Mains July 2020. In this we are going to discuss first a very important and easy chapter for everyone in that matrices and determinants. But most of the students always asking me, sir, matrices and determinants is so easy, but we cannot answer in JEE paper. Why? That's because we have to study topics which is other than textbook. We call it as out of syllabus also. So that I'm listed now in this PPT. This is very useful to all students. So that's why keep watch this video until the last for getting full updates about upcoming July JEE 2020 examination. In matrices and determinants, everyone is already know about concepts and already done all the problems, like NCERT problems we done, like NCERT miscellaneous we done, and NCERT example also we done, and most of students have touch with R.D. Sharma also. These three things everyone students they are doing in regular academic courses. But apart from this, what is very important for this JEE exams? When you're asking me, I'm telling this Cramer's rule is very important, because we can see questions like they're giving some sort of equations. They're giving some sort of equations and they're asking find how many number of solutions, like no solution, one solution, so many etc. To solve all these problems, we should know Cramer's rule, which is out of the NCERT syllabus. Then only you are you can easily answer in JEE. So that's the thing. And apart from this, what you want to practice, the next very important thing is solution of system of equations. This is also very important for every student to study before going to JEE. Then while seeing the paper, you can understand, you can do something, or you can answer all the questions. You are fully prepared. This is from matrices and determinants. Take a screenshot. We'll go for the next chapter. Next, the second chapter I took, that's limits, continuity, differentiability, and AOD. AOD means applications of derivatives. Now, we same thing. We all touch with NCERT problems. We all touch with NCERT miscellaneous, and we are some people, those who are preparing for JEE, any entrance examination, they already done this NCERT exemplar also. Apart from that, R.D. Sharma, we have some objective questions. That is very important, because R.D. Sharma, it's national wide textbook, everyone is studying. So from that also they are giving some importance to, they are giving importance to that book also. Apart from that, this limits, continuity, differentiability, we have to mainly concentrate on this second order derivatives, because we have many standard problems. If you know the answer also good, but if you know how to do, then definitely you can answer in JEE. That's my personal opinion. And next one, everyone should concentrate specially on mean value theorems. Mean value theorems mean not simple problems. We have to discuss some applications. So that and all I'm doing the other video. That and all you can check the questions in other video. That I'm not giving description in this video, but definitely I'm doing all these videos. So keep watch all my videos, to subscribe my channel for new videos. And this is very important thing what I'm telling now. Especially you have to concentrate on mean value theorems. After that, we have to concentrate on maxima and minima problems also. Many of the students feel like this is difficult topic, but what I'm telling, it is difficult, but if you practice more number of problems, definitely one different question will in JEE 100% from this maxima minima. Especially in this, you have to do applications of cone, sphere, cylinder, cube. These are all very important, because many problems are there. They are always targeting problems from maxima minima for giving in JEE. So what I'm giving suggestion to each and every student, please practice all these three things what I'm giving in the last four. These are all very important. You practice and then you go for the examination, definitely you can get success in any JEE examination. This is from limits, continuity, differentiability, and applications of derivatives. Take a screenshot. We'll go for the next one. The next chapter we are discussing, that's straight lines. This straight lines, it's very important, my dear students. Keep it in mind. This is one of the very important topic for JEE. So what suggestions I'm giving here? You already practiced many problems, but in this, everyone should concentrate on intersection between two lines. We have many problems there, they are always targeting, so please practice and study there, then definitely you can get better idea to face JEE problems in examination. Apart from that, you should practice concurrent lines also. This is one of the easy things. And next, the very important thing from straight lines is image and reflections, and also foot perpendicular. This is also very important. If we practice applications based on image, reflections and foot perpendicular, definitely I am giving assurance to every student, definitely you can easily solve coordinate geometry problems in JEE. So please practice all these things and take a screenshot. We'll go for the next chapter. Okay, next chapter that we are discussing today, circles and conic sections. In this, as usual, we have to practice NCERT exemplar, but here equation of circle and condition of line of a tangent to the circle is very important. See, in NCERT syllabus we don't have these conditions and all, so that's why while seeing the JEE question paper, each and every student feel like this we are not studied, this we won't study. That's why I'm telling my dear students, if you are a JEE aspirant, you please concentrate here exactly. This is very important for your JEE examination preparation. And next, I am giving you radical axis of a circle. This is also one of the important topic. To know about all these things, if you want any clarification, if you want videos on this, you subscribe our channel. I'm doing all based on all this. I'm doing videos that's very helpful for you. And keep watch this video until the last. You will get a better idea to face this examination July 2020 JEE Mathematics. Next is very important, director of a circle. These words some students are already listened, but more than 80% of the students are not listened because of this is not in the syllabus. That's why I'm telling, but these are all is very important for JEE examinations. Next, this one is very important, equation of parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, and which is for a shifted region. What is this shifted region? So far we studied center at origin, but this one center is not origin, it is apart from origin, or it is shifted from the origin. So based on that, we have many conditions that we have to study to face JEE questions. Then we have to see equation of tangents to the parabola, hyperbola and ellipse, similarly same. But this condition for tangency also very important to study before going examination to face questions, because the circles and conic sections, minimum 2 questions definitely available in your JEE paper. That's why you give more preference and study well, definitely you can score well, no doubt in that. Take a screenshot, we'll come back. Next we are discussing integral calculus, and this integral calculus again same thing, NCERT exemplar, R.D. Sharma. Next, here I'm giving applications of parabola and circle, but here I'm telling to everyone, you have to practice problems on partial fractions. We have many standard problems, my dears. We have many standard problems, so that's why I'm telling you practice problems on partial fractions. That's very important one thing. And next, when it comes to applications of integrals, in that applications and parabola, which means whatever it is, length of latus rectum, shifted parabola, whatever the problems will come, all problems and applications, especially applications, you have to practice. Then definitely in this integration we have mod problems, we have greatest integer function problem. These are all very important to study, because these problems only will come for the JEE exams. When you are not touched with these problems, definitely when you look the paper it's feel difficult. Keep watch this video until the last, definitely you'll get a good idea about to face JEE exam July 2020. Take a screenshot, we'll go for the next chapter. The next chapter we are going to discuss differential equation. This is one of the easiest chapter for everyone. those who are liking mathematics, definitely I'm telling is easily you can answer this question. In this specially what you want to practice, NCERT miscellaneous okay, Adi Sharma exemplar okay, Adi Sharma okay. Next, in this specially we have to look at the questions based on homogeneous differential equation. See, when we see January 2020 mathematics paper, the last two shifts we can see two questions came from this differential equation chapter. That's why I'm telling differential equation of the easy chapter, and easily you can score. You can give more importance to this chapter. Next, apart from homogeneous differential equations, we have to practice linear differential equations. We have to practice that in the syllabus. Whatever I'm giving next, that is not in the syllabus. This exclusively you have to practice for the purpose of JEE or any other entrance examinations. Bernoulli's differential equation, exact differential equation. If you want to know about concept and problems about this, please subscribe our channel, because I'm doing videos on all these topics. It is more helpful for you. And lastly, reducible and irreducible differential equations also important for JEE examination. Take a screenshot, we'll go for the next chapter. And permutation combinations probability. This is interlinked actually. Here also same thing. These three things are common. I put it in all the PPTs because for anybody is preparing, these three things is compulsory they have to prepare, because to understand the concept. Applications based on permutation combination. We have a lot of problems on this, but many of the students are not able to answer this permutation combination problems. But I'm telling my dear students, this will definitely get a better idea by keep practicing problems on permutations and combinations only. It is not possible by luck, by chance. We cannot put the answer, and this is exclusively it is mathematical reasoning problems. It's a logical problems. So that's why you people should understand when you should apply addition theorem, when you should apply multiplication theorem. These are all very important. So that's why by practicing only you can get it. In each and every shift we can observe minimum 2 questions from this permutations and probability. It is also one of the important topic as from my view. If you know logic properly, definitely you can answer it, and we can get easy problems also in JEE. But if you are ready to face JEE problems, definitely you have to work out all these topics whatever I'm giving now. And applications of binomial distribution is very important. We have very less number of questions in NCERT book. You have to practice more number of problems. That's from Adi Sharma also you can practice. Take a screenshot, we'll go for the next one. The next topic is sets, functions, relations, binomial operations. It is a huge topic, but we are getting very less number of questions in JEE, like 1, maximum 2. So in this, NCERT miscellaneous is very important. NCERT exemplar problems is enough for JEE, but apart from that, where you have to practice applications of 1 and under functions is very needed. It's very important for everyone. And next, applications of composite functions. Same thing, whatever it is in NCERT exemplar, it's enough. Based on that, you have to practice some previous year question paper problems. Then definitely you can get better idea about this chapter. Take a screenshot, we'll go for the next one. And the next one, and this time it's wonder for every teacher, sequence and series and binomial theorem. When we see this chapter, here we got 2 plus 2, 4 number of questions in many shifts in JEE main 2020 examination January. In January held a JEE examination. In that it's a wonder for every teacher, because we got 2 questions from sequence and series and 2 questions from binomial theorem. That's why it has more weightage in all these chapters. I'm suggesting you everyone, this is very less topic, what we call there is no more topics, there is no more knowledge, there is no more number of formulas. If you are really likes these 2 chapters, definitely you can get 4 questions in JEE mains that we observed from this January paper. Similarly, it will be happens in July paper. At least 3 questions will come from this topic as from my view. And here also same thing, you have to practice NCERT miscellaneous, NCERT exemplar, audition objective questions. These 3 things are given as a common in all the chapters because I told already it is a basic preparation for any student. And next, what you want to practice? Application problems on AP and GP. We have application problems that you have to concentrate. There you have to focus more concentration to face JEE examinations. Next, relation between AM and GM. We have some different standard formulas that also you have to practice. And from binomial theorem, its coefficient, independent and middle term is very important. And based on that, what we call based on that, applications also very important. And take a screenshot. And this is my contact details. And this is my whatever it is, my qualification and my profile. And if anybody near to this office, you can contact us. It's Jamkode class near Devanalli, near Shidlghata. And this is my phone number. You can put WhatsApp if you have any inquiries. You can put a WhatsApp message. And thank you for everyone. Thank you for watching this video. And likes, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.